What is up, guys? In this video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade the break and retest in the Forex day trading market. Let's get started. So guys, the break and retest trading strategy in the Forex market can actually be a pretty confusing type of trading, because a lot of people just tend to trade the break and retest on every single break they see, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to filter out bad trades and actually take good trades, adding a little bit of more confluences to the break and retest, not just blindly taking break and retest. So you have to add in some little confluences to actually filter out bad trades. So guys, in this video, I will show you guys how to get that done. Let's get started, guys. So as you guys can see, this market is this is a plain chart. I don't want to use some languages that I would have wanted to use because YouTube doesn't like those languages. Some kind of language I want to use now, but let me just stay clean. I don't want YouTube coming and knocking on my doors and flagging me out. So let's just stay clean. All right. So let me take this thing out. Guys. Let's talk. I want us to talk, guys. Looking at this chart, what are you seeing? I'm seeing an obvious uptrend. So guys, if you're new and you don't know what an uptrend means, just put in this 200 period exponential moving average line on your chart. As you can see, the market is clearly above the 200 exponential moving average line on the 15-minute time frame. Right? Be specific. Know where you are on the chart. You have to know: are you on the 5 minutes? Are you on the 30 minutes? Are you on the 45 minutes? Are you on the 1 hour time frame? You have to understand where you are. So looking at this, I can see that I'm on the uptrend. I'm on an uptrend. So I'll leave this 200 EMA line there because I usually just put it on and say, okay, I'm on an uptrend, and then I will just come here and take it out. But because I might be talking to a beginner right now, so let me just leave it there for you guys. It's actually fine. Like, look at it. It's not even obstructing anything. So it's just fine, guys. So just leave it. So guys, you can see that this is a high. All right, this is a really good high because the market went up and came down. This means that this is a good high that we'll be looking at. So let's just assume that the market is actually here and not here. All right, so let's pick out our drawing tool and use this rectangle tool, guys. Then you draw out your zone. All right, this is your zone, guys. This golden line is your zone. All right, so you want to see the market break, guys. The market should actually break, not just like maybe the market goes up like this and come back down. I wouldn't consider that a break because it's just a single candlestick. So all I want to see is the market moving upwards like it did and coming back down to retest that same level the market got to with this strong push. The market fell and went back up and retraced. You can see the pattern, guys. This is the break and retest is actually really easy. Like, if you really get to understand how to use the break and retest, you see that it's just so easy. Like, you have to look for a high, a low, a higher low, and a higher high on an uptrend. So you actually take your trades just when the market comes back to this resistance, when the market comes back to retest this resistance level, and we're looking for a buy on this area. So that's, by the way, guys, that's pretty easy. So guys, as you can see, the market came back there and retested. So one thing I would recommend you do is you pull out your Fibonacci. So guys, you draw your Fibonacci tool from where the market actually made its push upward. So guys, for me, the market actually started pushing up from here strongly. Although yes, the market started from here, went up and down. But you can see this two strong bearish candlestick, then followed by this strong bullish candlestick. So I'm pulling out my Fibonacci tool and I'm actually drawing from there to this point right here. So guys, as you can see, the market came back to the 50 and the 61.8 zone. and let's see if that's a good trade. So I want to just take this trade like this, even if some YouTubers are actually, some Forex gurus are actually telling you to trade like this. But how about you add in some little confluences? What I mean by confluences is like you look for an engulfing kind of stick like this, guys. Look at this. This is an engulfing kind of stick. Beautiful engulfing, guys. And once you see this engulfing kind of stick, you just take a trade. Let's go for the position, like for a buy. You can see, take a buy right there, and your stops just below market structure, which is just below this trend, this break and retest. I like to use a tight stop, even if this stop doesn't even look that tight. So just your stop just below the engulfing kind of stick, and your target on this highs right here, this highs of the Fibonacci and the highs of where from where the market actually pushed up from. So guys, you can see that we used a multi-time frame, and we used multi-time frame in this trading strategy. So you guys are actually learning a lot in this video. You're actually learning a lot because now you know how to trade the break and retest. You know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. You know how to trade support and resistance, and you know how to trade engulfing candlestick, guys. You actually got, like, you can actually trade like this on a real account and make, I want to say make a lot of money, but I've actually traded this strategy and I made quite a bit of money. So guys, you can actually trade like this and actually make some serious amount of cash trading like this. Yes, if you actually know what you're doing. So guys, you can see this is a 2.5, because if I just drag this in out, you can see that we actually won this trade 2.5. So guys, don't just take trades based on the market actually retracing to the 50 and the 61.8 zone. Wait for price action, like wait for wait for a pin candle, guys, or an engulfing, or a hanging man, or wait for something that's actually gonna give you more confluences, guys. So you can see that we used Fibonacci on the break and retest, which is 2 confluences. We use the EMA line to determine a trend, which is 3, and now we use an engulfing candlestick or a pin, or whichever way you want to trade it. But you can see that we have 4 confluences on this trade alone, guys. You can actually trade like this and make money, guys. So at least it's not like just trading retracement on a support and resistance, break and retest. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very quick short video, guys. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to use the break, and how easy it is to trade the break and retest using the Fibonacci and price action together, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, I want you guys to share this video, guys. So guys, when you share this video, when you like this video, when you engage, you like, you comment, you subscribe and turn on notification, YouTube actually sees this video to be valuable, guys. So it pushes it out to more people. So guys, let's share this video, let's share this to people to learn, like people can actually trade like this and make money in the forex market. So guys, let's share this video, let this video get to a lot of people so that they can watch and learn how to trade, and not go buying some course that's going to even teach them the same thing and charging them like $1,000 for this. Like, this is really simple. Like, I just taught you this in, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes right now. But guys, share it with them, because they might end up buying a course and end up learning this kind of free stuff I'm actually sharing, guys. This is gold. If you know how, if you trade like this with discipline and risk management, guys, you will make money. I'm not guaranteeing, but you'll make money. So that's by the way, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, follow me on Telegram. I actually give free signals and free trading ideas I meant to say. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's grow this XO gang. Let's be a family. Alright, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed and